Oh, I'm attached to a rose bush. Yep, I'm attached. Pam, I'm attached to your rose bush. Yeah. Look how pretty this garden is. My nan, I think that was the blackbird. Yeah. There's this like really pretty rose on the fence. Like, this is what I want my garden to be like. But obviously like bigger and more flowers and stuff, but so pretty. So pretty. We're going out. We're going out. Like, look at this garden. It's so pretty. I love that. So I am just editing. I'm gonna make my outro. I've got all my necessary needs and music. You know, it's a serious day and the hair's up. I feel so ill. Yeah, I felt a lot better than yesterday. Actually, I felt really ill yesterday, but I feel really good today. I had college, so I'm pretty tired, but thank goodness I have the rest of the week off, so I can film videos, upload them, edit, and all that crazy shit. So, yeah, I just want to say I will see you guys tomorrow, and I hope you all are having a great day. See you guys later. Bye.